ubona nge-medal guys ukuthi hayi khona man shuthi khona into ebeyenzakala la egroundini. Please introduce yourself to our viewers with your name, your surname, usho neteam bokade uyidlalela.
Igama lami Sinhlanhla Mkhonza, ngidlalela i-Archer.
I-Archer. Okay, so uqale nini ukudlalela i-Archer and what made you choose to play football?
Ngiqale last year ukudlalela i-Archer. Into eyenza ukuthi ngizela kule team, ngicela ama experienced player so ngiyakhona ukukhula, ukufunda nezinto ukuthi igame yami improve.
Okay. So why did you choose to play football?
Into ebengithanda from Talangazintwana.
Okay. So when a style of play sakho in 3 words ungasdescribe uthini?
Simple, clean. Kuphela two.
Simple and clean.
Yeah.
All right. So if bongadlala ibhola bozoba yini?
Bengizoba uthisha.
Okay. Tell us about the overall performance yakho as an individual neteam yakho. Mawubhekile team yakho iperform kanjani?
Guys, the team sebenzile sonke ngokuzikhandla. Even today bekunama game ayi2 same final ne final makasiphushile. Overall as a team, then individual I'm still rusty because I come back from injury, so final azangiqede because bese cramp.
Okay. So who are your 3 best players in good PSL?
Sailor, Obas and Mkwen.
The winner from UJ, APC Motsepe League, playing against my team. But the problem now that I want to put a question on him as the chairman of Tembisa Ulu Thunder. Are you happy with the decision that happened today in terms of match officiating? Honestly, because me and you are in the same predicament of the APC Motsepe League. Remember, 9 games, you were number 1. And what happened to you? Can you tell the truth?
Yeah. I will refer give me week in, week out, APC.
So can I put the question back to you now? Were you happy with the decision that happened today as the winner, as much as you enjoy being the champions in terms of match officiating? If it was not something that you are used to in terms of APC, that's my question to you.
I'm used to, I think it's rope.
So today you are a winner because at least one thing that happened negative to you and the APC, it was a plus for you to gain to be the champion in this Kasi championship. Are you happy with that?
I'm happy, coach.
You want this officiating to continue to kill you in your team in the APC, or you happy because you are a champion just for today? What about your career if UJ was on top and they go to a Motsepe championship where there is better income? What is your take?
Coach, I'm officiating
Thank you, but I was trying to put it just for today.
Yeah.
But the match officiating against you as UJ player, that takes you to number 10, being number 1 for almost 9 games. Are you happy with that?
I'm not happy.
Thank you.
Okay, good. Abo ref, lento niyenzayo it's not nice at all. Ayikho nice guys. Please be fair. Ibani nenhliziyo. Neke nikuthanda imali. Hayi ba wrong.
Abasidla.
Too much.
APC ayi. Abazi ukuthi stake is high lapha sifuna uwe uNFD.
Okay, back to our question ke. Your 3 best players ku PSL.
Bathus Obas, Sailor, Mkwen.
Okay. Kule 3 lo mentionile ne. Start 1, sell 1 and bench 1.
Ngicalisa Obas.
Okay.
Bench Mkwena.
Okay.
Bese ngithengisa uSailor. Overseas.
Okay. Ungakhetha ini between ukuthi udle ibench igame yonke or bakusubstitute ku first half?
If akusilanga lami bangikhipha first half.
Also wena ungakhetha ukuthi udlale nje bese bakukhipha?
Yeah, if I team ngideliver vele kumele ngiphume ngina chance. Vele ngiphume.
All right, word of the day Nyana before we close it off.
Work hard.
Work hard.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much for your time.
Yebo.
Sharp.